Hey everyone, welcome back. This is going to be the last video for this series, for Series 2. As far as I'm concerned, I could always add more in between the playlist if I want, but I'm pretty dead set on finishing up this series for now. Like I said, I'm still learning. I'm going into my 5th year of dance. And to be an aspiring dancer. If I learn any more along the way, which I know I will rightfully so add in whatever else I need to add in for music theory. I mean, for this Series 2. I try to do my best and to help you guys. Everything, all the tools, give you all the tools that you need, like in the beginning, and whatnot. So. Moving on to Series 3, I'm going to start filming that. I'm actually looking forward to that because that's the fun stuff, right? That's more movement, more, implementing all of the fun stuff that we learned here in Series 2. But also, I'm going to be going over basically all the fundamentals again and just showing you guys tons of moves and more advanced concepts of movement for the Melbourne Shuffle, and basically kind of showing you just a little bit of my own style that I've developed along the way. So that's what we have to look forward to. I'm really excited to start that. I think after Series 3 it'll be pretty much wrapped up. It'll just be, I might just throw in some filler stuff and more things to like exemplify and get the point across of what I'm talking about, and just showcasing this dance that I love so much, because it's done amazing things for me, and it's got me this far, and no stopping in sight. So if you made it this far, again, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, liking, subscribing, and I'll see you next time for Series 3. So look out for that. And if you guys have any questions or anything you want to learn, or you want me to go over other topics or anything at all, I'd love to film more. I got a good setup here, so I'd be happy to. Just drop a comment down below, maybe what you'd like to see in the next series, and I'll make a big list, and I'm gonna have a huge heyday with it and just film some really good content for you guys, because it's my way of giving back my gift and my passion. So as always, you guys already know, like I always say, keep at it, keep shuffling, and we'll see you soon. Later, guys.